Hey all, welcome back to new tutorial. In this we are going to learn React.js. So we are planning to do a live project in React.js. So many of you are asking for this. This is the live project we want to build in React.js. So this is a part of learning React.js. If you don't have any base experience also you can join this video. We'll starting from the scratch, but this is the demo of the project we are going to build. We need a login application. See, this is actually a dashboard for some applications. So this is actually live project as per the client requirement, and we'll see this. This is the login screen, and we are going to log in. So this is the dashboard they need. Here they have a master file. In this we have devices, district, and other info. In that we have to add device, and there is another module for customer, then another module for properties and property device. So these are the section we have to build in React.js. So this we have the code. So this is actually what is our aim. This is the final product how it will look. But we have to start from the scratch. So in this tutorial we'll explain each pages starting from the login page. So we have a React.js file for this sign up, and we have other a lot of files. So we'll go through one by one. So we'll start from scratch. These all the files we need to create, and that is where we show in the admin side. But we need to save this data, right? We are using Drupal backend, and we have created models for all this, and that's what we'll explain how to create this model. This is the backend, and using the API we'll fetch the data here. Each data will be fetched, and then we can update the data, then automatically it will save in the database. So for that purpose we are using Django in the backend. So our project main aim is learning React.js, and in the backend we are using Python Django project, and database is MySQL we are using. So this is the basic structure of the project, and as per the client requirement we did all these layouts, and there's an edit option, delete option. So you can see that there is an add device option. So there are like this plenty of features we have to build using React. So this already we have built code is there, but we'll start from first, and one by one I'll show you. So if you're interested, you can add in the comment section so that I can notify them whenever we are starting in the course. So this like a group we are planning. So if you're interested, please add in the comment section. Thank you.